Today I will sketch 2D drawing with the help of 3D models. Okay, let's start. Now I will go to the new part, click new and choose drawing, 2D engineering drawing and click OK. Yeah, I will change the sheet model. So now I will go to cancel and right click on the sheet and click properties and I will choose F3 and click OK. Yes. Now our sheet is perfect. So I will go to view layout and click model view and go to browse and choose the 3D model. I will choose this model and click open. Just I will click this view or top view and click isometric. Now our fully is defined, so I will click OK. Just I will move it there for the good looking. Yes. If you want to change assign the dimension, now I will assign the dimension different view. So just I will click this view and go to drawing view and I will scroll down and click import annotation and design annotation are including item from hidden feature. Okay. The dimension is assigned for view 1 but it is not good looking, so I will change it. I will set it properly. Just I will click it and click auto arrange dimension. Just is automatically arrange the dimension. Yes. Okay. Now click OK. Now I will assign the another view of dimension. Just I will click and go to drawing view. Just I will mark important annotation and design annotation and including. Just now all dimension is assigned but it is not perfectly, so just I will convert it. Smart dimension. Okay, just I will click convert all the dimension for good looking. Just auto arrange dimension. Click auto arrange dimension. Just it is automatically arrange the dimension. Now click OK. Now it is looking good. This is the isometric view. Just I will change this view. Now there are many display style. So but I will choose this shaded view. good looking. Okay. Now click OK. Just I will sketch the center line for this view. Now I will go to sketch and click the center line, and I will sketch this origin point to this, and or this origin point to horizontally on this side. Yes. Now select OK. Again I will sketch another center line, and I will choose the center line, and I will sketch from this origin point to vertical side, and this origin point to this side. Make sure it is horizontal. Now okay, just now it is looking good. Now it is good looking. So now I will change the sheet model. Just I will click this, right click, and sheet format, edit sheet format, and click this. Just I will assign the only number, just 0 to, and click OK, and I will change this to D, yes, to D drawing. To the drawing for motor. I will change the size. I will put it 18. I think it will be good. Yes, now click OK. Yes, now I will again change layout. Yeah, sheet model, and click this company name. Just double click. Now go to annotation and click note, and click here, and write the company name, engineering school. Engineering school. Yes, this would look looking okay. This 13 size is better. Okay. Okay, now click OK. Yes, our sheet format is ready. So I can load or another. Just click. I will load in this here. Just yes. I will write the note. Yeah. all dimension, all dimension dimension in mm. Yes, just I will change the size 18. Yes, click. So I will change again this. Yes, now is good looking. Okay. Yes, now go to exit. Yeah, our 2D drawing is fully ready. So now I will go to just I will convert it PDF. So if you want to convert PDF file, just you will go to file and click save as and go to this file name. Change the file name. I will change the file name. Surface bottle. Surface bottle 0102 and save as type. File type will be PDF. Yes, I will choose after saving. View PDF after saving. Now click save. It is converted to PDF file. Just yeah. Now it is converted. Now it is converted in PDF file. Okay. Good. Now go to save and save surface bottom tool and click save. Yes, it is fully saved. Okay, thank you for watching.